So this is your new bike, Roy Rank.
You bet, Roy Rank Arctic Thunder. This is our new Pro Fuel Nitro Harley. It's got an Orangeburg cycle, 92-inch frame on it. It's got a PRP 150 cubic inch side-by-side Hemi rod, 98% nitromethane engine. Puts out about 800 horsepower. The power is transmitted through a slipper clutch to a jack shaft without any transmission, direct drive with the slipper clutch. You set up how hard it hits by springs and weights, and it locks up about third track. It's got a 14-inch Goodyear slick on the back to bite and get you down the track, and we're hoping to run the 7.0 at 200 miles an hour at Alaska Raceway Park this season, 2013.
Wow. So how long have you been working on this bike?
I bought this bike 3 years ago right here at this bike show. It had been down, so I took it all apart. I sent the frame out, and we put a new top section in the top here, new motor mount, new front end, got it all cleaned up, straightened out. Everything else is 100%. We cleaned everything up, checked everything, all new ignition, new battery, all new, wear parts, brake pads, all that. So it's kind of a refresh, rebuilt bike.
So I heard that the Karen had mentioned that the frame had been twisted.
Yeah, when we got it down
not true.
to Hawaii Racing down in North Carolina, they jigged the frame, and the frame had, from a previous laydown, had tweak in it. So we got the tweak out of it. It's like brand new. Put a stiffener in under the seat to make the frame a little stiff, and should go straight and narrow.
This is going to be wild.
It's going to be fun.
All right, thanks, Roy.
You bet, Randy.
Rodents.